Namaste, my name is Amitabha Singh. I am a filmmaker. I have been making films now for close to 30 years. It has been a real joy and honor to be associated here at Chitkara International School with our flagship program called CineMaestro. It is also incredible that we have completed a 5-year journey. This year we are celebrating CineMaestro Take 5. Our CineMaestro activity is divided over 2 parts. First part is a workshop which we have just concluded. During the workshop we encourage students to pick up the skills, pick up the craft. During CineMaestro Take 5 event, when we were holding workshops, me and my team of mentors, we had a really wonderful time engaging with all of the student participants. I think every individual participant displayed incredible interest and their intent to know more, to learn more about filmmaking. For us also, it was a very enriching experience, engaging with newer minds, with their creativities. Now that our participants have 1 month, roughly a 1 month period to make their own films, I would like you to step up, come up with your best creative ideas, best creative stories, and make wonderful films, short films. All our best wishes will always be with you. Once you come back with your short films for our festival, we look forward to welcome you there, and really looking forward to some exciting films that you have made. So see you soon. Till then, all the very best and do well. Thank you.